reviewing the world down under.
Hey, g'day everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, thank you for having a look, and if you're returning, thank you again. Really appreciate it. Hope life has been kind to you all. Today I will be unboxing and having a look at a product I've had my eye on for a while. This is a UGREEN laptop stand. My old one is looking a bit small, a bit shabby and very tired, so I decided to freshen up my desk a little bit with something a bit more modern and sturdy while elevating my viewing area. I will include a link for another video where I unboxed the UGREEN phone stand if you'd like to check it out, and I'll post links in the description for these products. Amazon is pretty good with offers at the moment, especially as it's Prime Day. Just literally started now, and I think it'll be going on for a few days, so it might be worth checking out these products. They are definitely going to be reduced. So this is marketed as the ultimate laptop stand, designed for comfort and stability. It features dual rods and a wide base that offers extra support for any modern laptop or tablet up to 17.3 inches. I currently have a MacBook Air, which is a 15-inch model, so this should be absolutely plenty. One of the features on this is a good ventilation design, so hopefully this will alleviate any kind of overheating. Adjustable ergonomic design lets you effortlessly raise the screen to a perfect eye level, helping you achieve a better viewing angle and reducing strain on your neck and shoulders. For me personally, my monitor is quite high and my Mac is quite low. As I have my monitor as an extended display, I'm always looking down to the Mac and then up to my monitor, so this is going to bring the display right up to the level of the monitor, and it should be good for my neck, so hopefully it works out for the better. The beauty of this thing is, as well, is it is foldable and portable, so it will easily fit into a laptop bag, which will make it an essential companion for travel. Having spent 5 years working on mine sites in Australia, this makes for an easy travel companion for my MacBook Air or iPad Air, whichever I decide to take at any given time. It's definitely going to help with my posture and maintaining portability. Hence why I'm literally sold on the product. I had to have it. So yeah, I'm going to give it a quick unboxing, have a look at it, have a look at the materials, see how sturdy it is, and I'll share it with you. So let's get it opened. So as you can see, the packaging for a stand is pretty nice. Foam inserts, definitely going to stop any movement inside, so we'll get rid of these. And here we go. In typical UGREEN fashion, as you know with the videos I've already posted, I'm quite a big fan of UGREEN. They do a lot of products, and they all seem to be well built. They're well packaged, they serve their purpose, and they're definitely reasonably priced. I have to say, first impression, this is really light. It's actually really light, so I'm quite impressed with that straight away. So let's crack her open. Now that is a really solid mechanism. Really solid mechanism. So there's your dual stands. It's literally just aluminium. It's just everything is forged out of aluminium, with your rubber base for your desk, so it's definitely not going to be slipping anywhere. Even on this mouse mat, it struggles to move at all. But yeah, that is a really sturdy base. I like that, and that's going to elevate my laptop to quite a degree. So I'll just pop over the MacBook Air now. And there we go. Yeah, so as you can see, that is really sturdy. That is holding the MacBook up quite nicely. It's definitely not slipping, it's not going anywhere. And that is literally now right at the eye level that I've been looking for. But it's pretty much only half the height that it's capable of. So yeah, that's definitely worth it. I don't like anything, especially for my desk. I'm trying to declutter. and this is it's definitely going to serve its purpose. So I'm quite happy with that. There's your ventilation through the back there. The rubber's well on there. There's no loose parts. It's got its bumpers as well for when you want to close it up. Yeah, so there you go. This is currently on Amazon. I will throw the link up in the description. This is just a simple look. There's nothing really to review. You know, it's literally just going to be how it looks, how it feels. But I will say the hinges are really sturdy. They're really sturdy hinges. So I guess with everything else, time will tell. But it's a simple little aluminium stand for a laptop or tablet, anything up to 17.3 inches. But I can foresee you can pretty much use a gaming laptop on this and it will hold it up. Those hinges are really strong. So yeah, there you go. Nice and light, very lightweight too. I'll post up the specs in the description for you if you want to have a look at it. But yeah, on first impressions, I'll be using this on the daily now for my MacBook Air. I can literally just have the screen propped right up next to my external monitor. I'll take a photo of it with the MacBook set up next to the monitor, and I'll post it with this video so you can see what I'm aiming for. But yeah, very nice and tidy, very slim, very light. Just based on the look of it through the unboxing, highly recommended. Mainly because I just love the simplicity of it. But there you go. So yeah, thank you for taking the time to watch this quick little video. If you like it, if it helps you out in any way, please hit the like button. I really want to grow this channel. I want to bring more products in, do some more unboxings, and you liking and subscribing will encourage me to make more videos for you to enjoy. This video is not sponsored in any way. UGREEN have not sent me anything. I don't have to send them copies of what I'm posting. This is genuine unboxings with a quick review. I can follow up on these videos later on to see how they stand up in the test of time. But from right now, from what I can see, there's no way this is going to let the laptop sag. It's definitely a strong, very strong hinge mechanism. So yeah. Otherwise, all I will say is keep safe, stay positive, and don't let life bring you down. Have a good one. Take care for now.
Reviewing the world down under.